Hello, this is an introduction video for Application Note 121. You will learn how to integrate Kevo Smart Lock with ARTIK Cloud. A Samsung ARTIK 710, an Android phone, and a Kevo Smart Lock are required. Kevo is a smart door lock. It allows you to lock or unlock your door using your phone from anywhere. This application explains how to set up the Kevo Smart Lock on the ARTIK Cloud and develop the Android application to lock and unlock the door that has a Kevo Smart Lock installed. We'll use the Samsung ARTIK 710 to run a proxy that talks to the Kevo Cloud. Then, we integrate a Kevo Smart Lock on ARTIK Cloud and control it by using an Android application. When you press the lock button in the Android application, it will lock the door. When you press the unlock button in the Android application, it will unlock the door. Using ARTIK Cloud, we can easily integrate the Kevo Smart Lock into a larger IoT ecosystem. This application note and source code can be downloaded from artik.io. Happy coding!